What's up guys, my name is Mark and welcome to Making Mark. Today is going to be part 5 of our Honda CRF80F dirt bike build series. In the last episode, you saw me take the bike down to bare frame. In today's episode, hopefully, we're going to get some paint on the bike. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking a degreaser and just cleaning the frame down to see what's actually rust and what's just dirt. Okay, so the frame actually turned out pretty well just by cleaning it. There definitely are still some problem areas where rust is peeking through, where the powder coat is worn off. So I'm going to take a fine grit sandpaper and just hit those areas, and then we'll start to mask the bike off and get it ready for paint. Okay, so I got the bike pretty much where I wanted as far as sanding it and wire wheeling it. So I'm going to clean up and start masking the bike off and get that first coat of primer on.
Hours later.
Okay, so I got 2 coats of primer on. They're both dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the first coat of paint. Well, folks, that's going to be it for episode 5. The frame turned out great. The paint looks great. In the next episode, we're going to be painting some of the other parts that we took off the bike, just so everything matches. If you happen to come across this video and you like what you see, you should consider subscribing. And if you have any ideas for the build, leave them in the comment section below. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!